Well, I'm out here again messing with it. Next day. Engine's running a lot smoother. I got water in the radiator with a cleaner to clean out the cooling system. And let's see what we got here. We put this turkey baster in here. See how it looks. Oh, still dirty. So I'm going to flush it through again. Let's see what we get. Because I've been revving it and running it. It's been running now for about 20 minutes. No, about 10 minutes. I want to get that down in there real good and get as much of that crap out of it as I can. Now, inside the car, I'm getting absolutely no heat. I had some heat, but I'm getting none now. So, that being said, I'm just going to use... Oh, that's nasty. So I'm gonna run it through again with water. And got the pan underneath. I'm gonna, right there, get one of those pans, folks. These are about $6. Big pan too. You can get it bigger as well. And I'm going to take the drain out and drain out. Oh, the engine's running real pretty with today. I gotta figure out why it's missing so much. It might be plugs, but all of that's new under there. What they call this? Yeah, it's still shaking. Very little, but it's still shaking. Those are new coil packs. The wiring could be replaced. I'll do that. New battery. I just want to, get the car up to par. The running good the way it should. Air control systems, the map sensor, all of that's been replaced. I'm going to check that air filter too, because that's been in there a while. All right.